G'day there, I'm Aussie Mark. Thanks so much for stopping by this quick little video. I've been meaning to do this for ages. I just wanted to give a shout out to a particular channel, a channel that is involved with drones, of course, as am I, and a channel that does giveaways every month. The reason why I'm giving them a special shout out is to say thank you, because I won one of their giveaways. What did I win? I won the Artec range extender. You guys have seen this, and I was going to do an installation video, and then I thought, oh no, you guys can see plenty of installation videos on the internet, so I won't even bother with that. But what I will do is give a shout out to Fly My Mavic. That's the channel. Okay, so I'm going to put a link up here to the channel concerned, so that you might like to subscribe to him and have a chance to win giveaways as well. I won this in the November draw last year, but I only just installed it recently, and I had my first fly with it last weekend. Now, you know, you've heard some good things about the Artec range extender, and I'm here to tell you that it's true. This is a great little addition, and I was concerned that I mightn't be able to fit it into the bag that I already had, but of course these aerials just screw off really easily, so it fits into the bag just perfect. So thank you so much to Fly My Mavic. I do appreciate that. Once again, please go and check out his channel. Tell him Aussie Mark sent you if you like. And yeah, maybe you'll have a chance to get into one of the giveaways and win one of the monthly prizes that he offers. I know I do giveaways as well, and look forward to being able to give you guys away more things in the near future. Remember, I've got a draw coming up on just after the 16th of January this year for those 2 drones that I gave away at the beginning of the year. So look forward to presenting you with the winners of that particular competition, and thank you, Fly My Mavic. You guys have a great day, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.